Good morning, students. Welcome to online mathematics classes, day 2. Before we start the class, let us observe a minute's silence and pray for peace within and outside us. Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to represent fractions on a number line. You people have already studied how to represent whole number on the number line. Similarly, we'll do fractions on the number line. And for this, we'll first draw a line. There are two arrows as you can see here. So these two arrows are representing that I can extend my number line in both the directions. Now one very important thing, that when you're going to draw this number line in your fair notebook, you have to use ruler and pencil. Using pen is not allowed. Now on this line we'll first plot whole numbers 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now if you people have observed your scale or ruler carefully, what you can see that between these whole numbers, we have whole numbers here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, and between these whole numbers we have subdivisions. There are 10 subdivisions every time between them. Why 10? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now these subdivisions as done here, they are equal subdivisions, and this is how we are going to make the number line here also. We'll divide this space between 0 and 1, and what is important, that we'll divide it into equal parts. So let us take an example. Let's take to represent 2 upon 5. Now to represent 2 upon 5, what we'll do, we'll divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. Now there are two things that you can see. First thing is 5 equal parts. Now why 5 equal parts? Because we have this denominator as 5. So if suppose you have taken a fraction which says 2 upon 10, so this means you have to do 10 equal divisions. If you have taken any fractions that is 2 upon 7, then you will take 7 equal divisions. So here the denominator is 5, so we have taken 5 equal parts. Now second thing is between 0 and 1. So why between 0 and 1? It is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means it is 0.4, and 0.4 is less than 1, which means this fraction 2 upon 5 is less than 1, and obviously it is greater than 0. So this fraction lies between two whole numbers 0 and 1. So we have taken the number line between 0 and 1, and we'll divide it into 5 equal parts. So let us divide 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5, where we get 1. Now we will plot 2 by 5. So this is 0, 1 and this is 2. So this is 2 by 5. Okay. So in this way we can plot any fraction where numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now let us take one more example. Let us take a number 5 by 5. Now what is 5 by 5? 5 by 5 is actually equal to 1. And this means that when we get numerator and denominator equal, then it is equal to 1, and 1 means that my fraction will lie where we have written 1. So in place of 1 we can write 5 upon 5. Now let us take one more example where the numerator is greater than 5. So let us take 7. Okay. Now what is the value of 7 upon 5? 7 upon 5 is actually equal to 1 whole 2 by 5. Now 1 whole 2 by 5 means this is greater than 1, and less than 2. It's 1 and a part of it. So 7 upon 5 is definitely greater than 1 and it is less than the whole number 2. So we can say that to represent 7 upon 5, the number line we'll divide the number line between 1 and 2. And again into 5 equal parts only because the denominator remains 5. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5 where we'll get the value 2. Now plot this. This is 5 by 5. So this is 6 by 5 and this is 7 by 5. Now I hope all these three cases are clear to everyone. How to represent all these type of fractions on the number line. Now your today's work is to complete exercise 6.2. We will send you the picture of exercise 6.2. In case that picture does not match with the exercise that you have in your book, latest book, don't worry. You follow the work that we are sending you. So do your work according to the picture that we are sending you. There are 3 questions in that exercise. You do that exercise and kindly use ruler and pencil to do your work. So before we wind up our class, let us again observe a minute silence. Okay, thank you so much.